Yo guys, my name is Amirullah Hamdan from class MBA 113B. So for today's topic, I'm gonna talk about chapter 7, Storing Organizational Information Database. In a short and understanding way, hopefully it will help you guys to understanding more about this chapter. So, let's begin. To start with is a relational database fundamentals. Information is everywhere in an organization. Information is stored in database. Database means maintains information about various types of objects, events, people, and places. There are three database models. The first one is hierarchical database model. Information is organized into a tree-like structure. It cannot have too many relationships. The second one is network database model, a flexible way of representing objects and their relationship. And the last one is relational database model, stores information in the form of logical related two-dimensional tables. Hierarchical structure cannot be too many relationships, as the figure show. Network database model can be too many relationships because it is flexible. The example is in the figure. And the last one is relational database model, can be related with different tables as shown in the figure. Entities and attributes. Entity means a person, thing, place, transaction, or event with information is stored. Attribute means a characteristic of properties of entity class. Entity is the rows in each table and attribute is the column in each table, as you can see the figure below. Next is keys and relationships. Primary key, it means unique identify a given entity in a table, for example, ID number or matrix number. Foreign key, a primary key that appears an attribute in another table and to provide logical relationship among the two tables. Relational database advantage. The first one is increased flexibility. It means different users have different needs, have only one physical view and have multiple logical view. It's flexible to users. Physical view means deal with the physical storage of information on storage device. Logical view means focus on how user logically access information. The second one is increased scalability and performance. A database must scale to increase demand while maintaining acceptable performance levels. Scalability means system can adapt to increase demands. Performance is measure how quickly a system performs a certain process or transaction. The third one is reduce information redundancy. Eliminate information redundancy by recording each piece of information in one place. Redundancy means the duplication of information or storing the same information in multiple places. The fourth one is increased information security. Asset from unauthorized user can have access because of passwords, access label, and access control. Database offers several security features, including the first one is password, provide authentication of the users. The second one is access level, determine who has access to the different types of information. And the last one is access control, determine types of users such as read-only access. And the last one is increased information integrity, that's O quality. Information integrity means measure the quality of information. Integrity constraint rules that help ensure the quality of information. There are two integrity constraints. The first one is relational integrity constraint, rule that enforce basic and fundamental information-based constraint. The second one is business critical integrity constraint, rule that enforce business rules vital to an organization's success. Next is database management system or DBMS. Use DBMS to get information it can update, delete, print but still have to access level. Users send requests to DBMS, resend the information that users want. Indirect interaction, user not directly database but application directly to database. Second is the data-driven website advantages. The first one is content management. Second is future expandability. The third one is more efficient, and the fourth advantage is minimizing human error, and the last data-driven website advantages is cutting product and update costs. Integrating information among multiple databases. Integration allows to separate systems to communicate directly with each other. There are two. The first one is forward integration, and the second one is backward integration. For forward integration, it means follow the sequence where it start from sales and ending by billing system. It's also related to one another. The example is in the figure. Backward integration. Backward integration recheck everything where it start from billing system and ending by sales system. The example is in the figure. Building a central repository specifically for integrate information. Once update to the central repository, customer information system automatically update a sales system, order entry system, order fulfilling system, and billing system. The example is in the figure. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and give your full attention towards my presentation. Ara ara, sayonara.